Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, we will be discussing the integration section of your AEvent account. To start, let's log into your account. Once logged in, to the left-hand side, just click on Integrations. And from here, you'll be able to see all the applications that you have integrated to your AEvent account. Aside from that, you'll be able to see the status of your integrations, and you'll see here different options on the upper right hand side. When you click on this icon, this will actually bring up the help article that we have for this specific integration. So I just clicked on this one, and as you can see here, it's asking if you're looking for some help with active campaigns. So you just have to select on these options that we have for you, and we'll be able to provide you with a tutorial or the video that we have for this specific integration. When you click on this one, this is the refresh button. It will refresh the integration, and you'll see here a message saying that it has been successfully refreshed. And of course, the delete button, when you delete this one, it will actually disconnect your integration from your AFN. Aside from that, we also have the test button. So when you click on this one, you'll be seeing here a message if it's successful or if it's not. So if it's not, it means that the integration is broken. So as you can see here, the test failed. So if you get that information or that message that the test failed, that means that you have to reconnect your integration. So to do that, you just have to click this button and go through the reconnection process again. So aside from those options over here to the right, if you have a lot of integrations or a lot of applications integrated to your AEvent account, and it might get a lot of scrolling to find them, you can simply just type in the name of the integration here, and it will bring it right up. And when you click on the Add Integration button, this will allow you to add new integrations to your AFF account. So just type in the name of the integration that you want to add and just click on Add Integration. Aside from that, you'll also see the different timeline actions that you can create with this specific integration. So when you click on Add Integration, you just have to go through the Add Integration process for that specific integration. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.